just a friendly reminder that not all of this talus is stable, and some of it, the unstable parts, are really big. Hello again, another beautiful summer day. So I decided to come out to Washington Pass, specifically to the hairpin turn to go up to the headwaters of early winters. I was actually here a couple weeks ago. I never really turned it into a vlog, so mostly because I turned around a little early. That was exploratory. Now we're back. Okay, so cleared that one, which is nice, in the meadows now, so it's all kind of relaxing from here on in. Saw some cute marmots, that was fun. What I just realized is I didn't eat breakfast today, except for like a really nasty, enormous donut. So, we'll see how this goes. This meadow has got to be probably one of my favorite spots in the whole area. It's calm, it's peaceful, it's hard to get to, it's open, and there's this huge amphitheater of the early winter's drainage all around you. It's awesome. Yeah, I got to admit, I don't know what it is about this trail, but it could have just been fluke. I'm just not feeling it today. It's hot. I don't know. I didn't really get a good night's sleep. I'm not really hydrated. I didn't forget to eat breakfast. I know these are excuses, but at the same time, I don't want to go up there by myself and like fuck shit up. So, I don't know. I'm gonna hang out in the shade for a bit and determine what to do next. Okay, it's like noon. I'm rested. I've been in the shade for a little bit. We'll see how it goes. I'll give it another go. I mean, worst case scenario, I get some more vertical, which is good for the virtual hard walk race. And if I get to the same spot and I still feel the same way, just turn around and call it another day. But yeah, why not? Give it a go. Wow, last time I was right here, well, not last, a couple weeks ago, this was all snow, and this was all dust. I feel a bit better. My legs are still pretty sore and sluggish, but at least I'm conscious. I'm rational. I'm not sluggish in the brain, so that's a good sign. I'll push a little bit further today. Why not? Well, I'm not feeling great again. And I still got about 500 feet before the pass. So I guess I'm gonna have to pass on this one. But hey, new high point, success for today. I'm gonna go down now and relax a little bit in the shade and then cross back over to the car. Because yeah, I'm feeling much worse now. So see you back down there. Okay, back down. Ooh, that was fun. Got some more vert in, which is awesome. Got covered in pine tar, which is less awesome. I ran into a group that was kind of just goofing off, going up the trail there, and related to them, a story that was related to me the last time I was here, which was from like an old grizzled kind of retired climbing guy. He pointed out that Becky and friends, when they went to climb the Liberty Bell, which is right over there, that the highway wasn't built yet, so they actually came over that pass. I'll have to do some fact checking on that, but I imagine it makes sense. Pop through the back, everything connects back there, so that's cool. Anyway, let's use this as an excuse to take better care of ourselves. Shall we?
Look at this. Why are you splitting? Sawyer, fix your bags. This is brand new, I just got it.
Well, I'm leaving the beautiful meadow now and gonna walk back to the car through those rocks, dealing with this thing. So, I'll probably just call it here and talk to you next time. Until next time, have fun out there. Just like Kerouac or Snyder, Kerouac quoting Snyder said, your mind picks the footing for you.